Hello, it's Denise from Realize Your Art, and today we're going to take a look at a making of a mixed media piece that I put together. It's called Tell Me What I'm Missing. And what it is, it's layer upon layer of watercolor, graphite art, gel medium, and then again some additional watercolor and metallic ink. So let's take a look as I finish off this graphite art of an echinacea flower and begin the layering.
Tell me again what I'm missing, 'cause you're fading out. We've been here before. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. Don't go through that door. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. I get the vibe that you're distant. There's something about you that's different. I see it in your eyes. Something isn't right. Tell me again what I'm missing, 'cause you're fading out. We've been here before. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. Don't go through that door. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. It is a lie when you tell me that nothing is wrong, just leave it be. But I see it in your eyes. Something isn't right. Tell me again what I'm missing, 'cause you're